Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. This is still your girl, Kamsi, in Kamsi's space. If you're seeing this face for the first time, guys, I am Kamsi. I'm a mom, YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. You are highly welcome to my channel. And to my OGs, mwah, thank you all for all your support. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, guys, this is a quick one. It's just a vlog. This is what would I call it? Shopping haul. I want you guys to join me for shopping haul. I just closed from work and I needed to pick some things. So guys, come with me. Let's pick some small things, okay? If any gonna now, those things we need in the house. So guys, let's go.
Met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing so. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're empty bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Oh, everything makes total sense when you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
Yeah, guys, we are done. We are done shopping. I will show you guys the things where we were able to pick when I get home. Okay. So let's ride on. Let's ride on.
The glass and I am going places, makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking, I don't really care about the music on the
So we have to branch out the Chicken Republic to pick some things to eat because I'm so exhausted that I can't cook when I get home. So let's pick some things. Yeah, you guys, I'm back from the shopping. Okay, so like I said, that when I get home I will show you guys what I was able to get. So I picked some bread. This hot dog bread, yeah, and burger bread. Little Kamsi love burger. She cooks and she doesn't eat. This is what the things she likes. So guys, we pick mozzarella cheese and burger cheese for Kamsi. Kamsi is a lover of peanut butter. She loves peanut butter. She can finish one loaf of bread with peanut butter. So I also picked some chips, fries for easy breakfast. I actually picked 2 packs. I bought some sausage. This is for the hot dog or pizza, and this is for Kamsi's Indomie. And I bought some boneless chicken. Yeah, I have some. I just picked just 2, and goat meat. Yes, we need goat meat in the house. And this one they said is smoked goat meat. So I don't know the difference. Though I do buy it, but I've never looked at what is written on it. It says smoked goat meat. So I also picked minced beef for burger. Yeah guys, I don't deal without lemon because I like taking it first thing in the morning and the last thing at night if I don't have other of my mixture. Then I bought vegetable oil. I picked vegetable oil. They say this one does not contain cholesterol. And then some air freshener. And then this is floor cleaner to mop the floor. It's multi-purpose cleaner, so we normally use it to mop floor, the tiles to be precise. Yeah, and room air freshener. I like this. I like using these 2 air freshener, Cool Black. I like the fragrance. I so much like it. Then finally I bought some packed food. You know, I told you guys when I branch at the eatery to pick some food for us to eat tonight because I don't have the strength to start making food right now. This time is almost 8 o'clock. You see, from work to the shopping mall, from shopping mall down to the house. So it's not easy. So I have to pick some food for us to eat. I have not even had my bath because I know if I have my bath before eating, that means this video will not be done today. And I have to pack everything. So guys, this is what I got from the shopping mall. Thank you so much for following me today. More, I really appreciate. Like I said, if this is your first time in our channel, please, if you like what we are doing in our channel, do consider to subscribe. Okay, you can also join us on our membership, guys. That is the way of supporting us if you really like what we are doing. And to our returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are so amazing. I don't know what to say. Without you guys, I don't think I'll be uploading videos. But whenever I upload videos, you guys are always there for me. Thank you so much. Like I always say, I will never take you guys for granted. So literally, I'm going to close this video right now, and I say I love you guys. See you in our next video. Bye.
The way you're thinking, I don't really care about the music on